Dimple chin, smiling lips, teeth written, curly hair, flows in air, eyes are cute and lovely too.
Swimming, Dayday?
Wow, swimming.
Ready?
Set.
Ready? Ano sa
Ay,
silaw?
ready.
Ready?
Set.
Ready?
Set.
Wala pang go.
Wala pang
Ulit.
go. Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Uy, nasa silaw.
Ready.
Ready.
Ala, wala pa.
Yung mukha niya.
Ready.
Agad siya eh.
Ay, antok na daw. Sa prank.
Ready?
Set.
Hala, hindi pala naka-play.
Okay.
lang.
Naka-flashlight nga.
Hindi na-realize.
Ready. Set. Go! Ay,
Ready?
set. Ay, wala pang go. Ma, akin na yung phone nyo ah.
Ready?
Ma, akin na yung diploma nyo ah. Nahabol na.
Anong sounds ng cat? Ng cow?